local area emergency has been issued for your area until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Luis Obispo Police Department. At approximately 5:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an unidentified yellow and gray object was spotted flying through the skies of San Luis Obispo. The name of the object is unknown at this time. However, all residents of California are advised to seek a shelter. Be sure to bring specific items for your stay such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, blankets, and a battery-powered radio. Do not leave your shelter until this object has been taken down. Stay tuned for more information on the situation as it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected some strange objects heading towards Earth. The strange objects are to be 75 feet tall and 75 feet wide. The strange objects also appear to be yellow and gray, much like the creature spotted at 5:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The name of the yellow and gray object has been confirmed at this time. The name of the object is called Arena Closar. It is unknown where this creature has came from, or if the creature is hostile. However, residents are advised to do the following: lock and barricade all openings to your home. Get on the lowest floor of the building. If you see the Arena Closar, do not go anywhere near it. Dial 911 if you see this creature. If the creature gets near you, you will die. Run away as fast as possible and find shelter. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there were numerous reports of more Arena Closars going through neighborhoods, killing anyone in their path. These Arena Closars are hostile. I repeat, these Arena Closars are hostile. All residents in the city of Seattle are advised to stay indoors until these Arena Closars have been taken down. Do not go anywhere near the Arena Closars, as approaching them could put your life in extreme danger. If you see these Arena Closars, immediately dial 911. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and the Huntsville Police Department. At around 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there have been multiple reports of Arena Closars going around the city of Huntsville, killing anyone in their sight. In regards to the situation, there have been reports of the Arena Closars shooting yellow-colored balls at anyone in their sight. The yellow balls have been confirmed to be bullets. In addition, the yellow bullets have been confirmed to be spreading a disease. The symptoms of the disease include nausea, vomiting, headaches, abdominal pain, diarrhea, rashes, fever, and dehydration. This situation is slowly unfolding. All residents in the city of Huntsville are strongly advised to do the following. Do not go outside for any reason. Stay inside your homes, lock and barricade all sources of openings to your homes, seal cracks with tape, glue, or damp towels, close all blinds, turn off all heating and ventilation systems, and remember, always avoid these arena closures. If you experience any symptoms of the disease, call 911 immediately. Tune to local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. At 7:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, numerous reports are coming in that the arena closures have been going through the city of Boston, destroying multiple homes and buildings, and causing a lot of damage. A disease is spreading around the city of Boston due to the arena closures shooting deceaseful bullets. Many hospitals in the city of Boston are receiving a high number of patients of people being infected from the disease. All residents in the city of Boston are advised to seek a safe shelter. Do not go outside, as the arena closures may find you and start attacking you. Do not go anywhere near the infected. If you see an arena closure, turn around and run away as far as possible from it. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and the Miami Police Department. At 10:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, more arena closures have been coming in the sky and attacking many people in the city of Miami. A disease is spreading around the city of Miami, causing many people to become infected and cause certain death. In addition, the water supply has become contaminated from the disease spreading around. I repeat, the water supply has been contaminated, making this also a contaminated water warning. Numerous reports have come in that the hospitals in the city of Miami have been destroyed by the arena closures, and many patients have died, including some doctors. This catastrophic situation is unfolding and should be taken extremely seriously. All residents in the city of Miami are advised to do the following. Find a basement or any place you can hide in your home. Do not drink any water, as you may become infected. Do not take a shower or wash your hands. Do not go anywhere near the arena closures, as doing so will put your life at extreme risk. And most importantly, do not go outside for any reason. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and catastrophic situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the local authorities. At 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there have been numerous reports of arena closures going around several states in the country. Many cities and buildings have been obliterated and damaged. 10,000 deaths have already occurred due to these arena closures attacking many people and the disease spreading around. Deaths in these states include California, Washington, Alabama, Florida, Texas, Massachusetts, and Missouri. Those states are being put under quarantine. All residents receiving this message are strongly advised to do the following. Find a basement or any place you can hide in your homes. If there is no water contamination in your area, grab as much clean water as possible. You should also include food, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, some blankets, and a battery-powered radio. All residents of the United States are advised to not go in or out of the quarantine states. Doing so will result in arrest. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The catastrophic situation that was occurring in several states has worsened. At 11:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, thousands of arena closures have invaded the country of the United States. A disease has been reported in most of every state, including Alaska and Hawaii. Many cities have been obliterated, damaged, and destroyed. There have been multiple blackouts due to the arena closures shooting bullets at the power lines, causing them to break apart, and cause power outages in many buildings and homes. Thousands of citizens have died from the disease. All residents of the United States are advised to seek shelter immediately. Gather enough supplies for your shelter such as food, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, blankets, and a battery-powered radio to stay up to date during this event. If you have bottled water that is not contaminated, get as much of them as you can. Do not go outside for any reason, as the arena closures will find you and start attacking you. The president will be speaking on all news stations shortly. Please stand by. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in the assigned areas. This is WNBC. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. This is not a test. May I say once more, this is not a test. Global disaster is occurring. At approximately 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA has detected millions of more Arena Closars heading towards the planet, and the Arena Closars are now in every country of the world, including Antarctica and Greenland. It has also been found out that the yellow bullets contain fire and lava, making the situation more disastrous. The disease has also spread it all over the planet, and it has also spread it in the oceans, causing many organisms on Earth to become infected and die. Many shelters in many areas have been destroyed, and there is no longer a way to survive this. Humanity is on the brink of extinction, as there is only 2 billion humans left on the planet. All attempts to destroy these Arena Closars have failed. There is nothing humanity can do to stop these creatures. All we can do is pray. All residents of the United States receiving this alert, gather with your friends and family, and brace for the end. If you are a religious person, pray to your God or gods. The United States President, including all world leaders, have been confirmed to be killed by these Arena Closars. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. All programming will now cease transmission. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this situation.